All right, guys, there we go. The YAMATIC power washing gun. Man, I say I like it. Thank you so much, YAMATIC, for sending this to me. I really enjoyed the product. I will be using this product a lot. Thank you so much. Again, it comes with you know, the wand or the gun, and it comes with 2 adapters, you know, to where you can go from a 14 to a 15 depending on what hose that you have. This thing works on, I think the max is 4,000 psi, and so yeah, man, y'all give them a shout out. I'll tag or put in the description, I'll put the link that you need to, if you want to get in touch with YAMATIC. Tell them Float Dizzle sent you, and that you've seen how their product worked. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. How did it perform in your eyes? Let me know. I think it performed really well. I like how the foam cannon worked on it. I look forward to using this on doing house washing, soft wash. That's probably what I'll be using this on the most, and detailing vehicles. So thank you so much, YAMATIC Power Center. Love you. Appreciate you. We're gonna see if we can't spray some more water. Hey, y'all remember this. Love always wins. Yes, it do. Yes, it do. I got that YAMATIC power, baby. Woo! I'ma holler.